Hello my friends and welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you the new releases for the Scrappy Fox shop for the month of October. So I've got a nice little stack here and the new journaling cards came in. I'm so excited. Aren't they stinking adorable? So when you order, you get the new journaling card and on the back there's a place for me to put your name so I can personalize them, and they came out so stinking cute. It's my daughter's artwork and I love it. I just think it's the cutest thing ever. Let's set that off to the side. I wanted to go over the freebies really quick because I have a new PR girl who I got to meet in Salem. Absolutely love her. She is an absolute angel. I love all of the things that she does. She has a YouTube channel, so I will tell you about it when I get to her freebie. But before we get there, I wanted to show you, this is the October Everybody freebie from the shop. So this is, I thought this would be really cute to kind of go with your October. Let me make sure that you are in focus to go with your October spreads. It's very neutral, so it should go with pretty much anything. And it's got my daughter's artwork on there. So really cute. So that is the Everybody freebie for this month. These are also in the swap bag. So if I swapped with a shop, you'll see these in the swap bags. Then we've got the PR freebies. So I redid these for fall. So all the PR girls have new PR freebies for fall. And this one is Brandy's, obviously, because it's got the little gnome in it. So Brandy 15, these ones, any one of these with their name plus a 15 will get you 15% off when we're not doing a sale. So if you're feeling like you want to order something before the sale, use one of their PR codes and you'll automatically get the discount plus their freebie. So anyway, this one's Brandy's. She's got, see, we even changed up. We put a little pumpkin on her coffee cup and she's got her little pillow. And then we've got Sarah's here, and same thing, her little planner has a pumpkin on it, her wine. So this is Sarah's. She is, I have their things down here so that you can find them. She's Simply Sarah Plans. And then this one is Olga. So there's Olga's, and she's got the new sub tracker on hers. Then here's Sabrina's. This is so stinking cute. So she wanted George, and so she got George, and she wanted George to read. So my daughter put a little candle up there because, you know, they don't have electricity out in the woods. So he's got his little candle, reading his little stack of books with his glasses. Stinking adorable. That's George the Hedgehog. And then she's got organized stickers, and her from the Peanut Gallery is where you're going to find her both. Here, let me make sure that this is going to focus for you. You're going to find that both on Instagram and YouTube. So she has a YouTube channel and Instagram, and so that's where you're going to find all of Sabrina's stuff. And this is the newest PR girl. She is fantastic. And then we've got Tara with her. We recolored her turtle to more like fall colors, like darker with the brown and then the darker brown and the green. And then she's got her Perfectly Imperfect, and she is Sassy Turtle Plans, both Instagram and YouTube. Yep, I can talk. We got this. So that is all of the new PR freebies. So you can use their name anytime. So if you want a freebie, if you order and you just want one of their freebies, you just drop their name in the comments and you will get their freebie. Let's see if I can put these in order. So how about that? New quote sheets are in. So we've got Turkey Day. So this one's kind of a snarky turkey one with the I'm just here for the pie, thankful, blessed, kind of mess, that kind of stuff. Talk turkey to me. Calories, Thanksgiving calories don't count. You know, it's kind of a snarky, fun Thanksgiving one. And then there's the nice Thanksgiving one, which is just Happy Thanksgiving, thankful for everything, abundantly blessed, stuff like that. You know, things that go really good in your planner, to little add-on quotes. Then we've got 3 new sarcasm ones. So now you have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And they're all different. But yeah, there's one in here that I absolutely love. I'll point it out when we get to it, but I'll leave it here for a second so you can read them all. Leave this one. This is sarcasm 4. They're called sarcasm helps because sometimes you just need to put down a snarky sticker to explain why you're feeling the way you're feeling. And then this one is sarcasm helps 5. This is the one right there. Being a functional adult every day seems a bit excessive. That is how I feel all the time. Okay, so there's the new quote boxes. Not boxes, they're not boxes, they are kiss cut quotes, and but they are small enough to fit inside of boxes. And I have ink on my fingers. I apologize. My printer decided to misbehave today, so I have inky fingers. First new watercolor photo kit. Christmas lights. I love this. It's so stinking pretty. So this one is all like Christmassy themed. Got your reds and your greens and your like lots of like the little twinkly lights everywhere. I just look at the candy canes. I mean, it's just very Christmas. I love this. Super pretty. and I'll just go through all the boxes, totally out of order, but you get the idea. I don't think I have to explain them all. You know my format. And then your washi page with your 9th box. Super, super cute. Very pretty. This one would go really well with like a either a gold, like a sparkly gold hollow, or even a silver hollow. Would look really pretty with this, I think, personally. Then we've got this one, which is my favorite. Because this is like, reminds me of like old world, like vintage, very vintage Christmas, but you can almost smell the spices coming off of this page. Like it's between the cookies and all the spices and the very vintage feel with the watercolor overlay. I just think this is an absolutely gorgeous kit. Definitely would go really well with like a matte gold or even a sparkly gold, but I think a matte gold would look really pretty with this. Then your page 2 with your washi and your 9th box with the cookies, the sugar cookies. And again, I'm not going to go and tell you everything in here. You know what it is. Just going through. There is that one. So this one is called Warm Holiday Wishes. All of these you can find in the new releases section. Next up, we have this is a Coraline kit. I know it's October already, but Coraline is good any time of year because this is just one of those movies that you can pop on pretty much any time of the year, and it's fantastic. Love like the Tim Burton movies anyway, but this one is one that my daughters watched with me when they were little. This thing came out, I think my youngest was like 11 when this came out. So this was like obviously one of those ones that we watched, but you've got all of your 9 full boxes, a nice double box right here. Then you've got your washi and your 9th box. Sorry, I said 9 boxes, 8 here, 9th here, and then your regular format. So this comes in the deluxe only. It doesn't come in like a mini, but it does have the add-ons, and I'll tell you about the add-ons here in just a second. So I changed up the add-on page for this one here. This is also available in printable, and I felt kind of bad. So this is an add-on for you if you're buying it physically. So if you don't have a TPC planner, you probably wouldn't add this on. But the printables had it in it. So I changed it so that it is now called the functional add-on, and these are squared off so that you can use these on any sidebar or like in a B6 or anything like that. So they're not rounded anymore in this style in the deluxe kits where there's a printable version of it, just so that everybody can use every page in whatever they want. So this, it used to be the TPC. It will still work in the TPC planner. It just has the squared off boxes instead of the rounded. And then this is your other extra with your check boxes and your extra if you need more of the full boxes. And a nice big double box right there. So that is Pink Palace, which is the Coraline themed one. And then I've got a couple of Kitten Squirrel Jess arts before I get into my daughter's art. So I'm going to go through Holiday Prep. So here's Holiday Prep. This is your 8 full boxes, and it's just my version of it. I know that it's out there. It's Kitten Squirrel Jess art, but if you like the way I set up my kits, then you know this is the one for you. Just go through them all. I love this. It's just so pretty. It's very, it reminds me of like an in-between Thanksgiving and Christmas kit. This would be fantastic. Here is the add-ons for the functional and the add-on for check boxes and extra full boxes. I love this. So there's some alternate skin tones in here of boxes that are already in the main kit. So you can either double up or you can replace them with a different skin tone. And then this one, I started binge watching it. I started watching it and I ended up binge watching it. The Rings of Power, and then this is also Kitten Squirrel Jess art, and this is Golden Wood. So this is based off of the show, the new show Rings of Power. So here's all of the full boxes, 8 full. There's your 9th full box with Galadriel in her armor, date covers, all the goodies. So again, this one is also available printable. So isn't Holiday Prep. So if you're somebody who likes the printables, they're over there. So you can pick them up in the printable section. And then your add-ons and your extra boxes. So there is, if you get the printable, all 10 pages come in the printable. But if you get the deluxe kit, you would have to add on the extras. So there's that. And then this is my daughter's art. So I'm going to go through, this one's a pie thief. So this one's got a little bit of a story to it. So I will tell you the story. So the way that my daughter draws is she's very story oriented. So we have to come up with a story, and then she comes up with the art. So for this one, we wanted to introduce a new character, and this new character is George, and my uncle's name is George, and my uncle is an absolute pie fanatic, sweets actually, but pie is his favorite, strawberry rhubarb. He is 83 years old, and that man will eat pie all day long if you let him. So that is why George's name is George. So this is the kit. It is super cute, and I will go through the story with you. So the story that we came up with so that she could draw this was that it is getting close to Thanksgiving, and Fluff is getting all of the pies ready for the holidays. So she's here cooking in the kitchen. She's got her little table with her little cooking utensils there. Here is the stove under the window with the pie cooking. You can kind of see the heat coming off the stove so that you can tell that it's cooking. Then this is her taking the hot pies out, putting them on the window to cool, just like the old days when they used to put them out on the windows to cool. And then this is George. So George was out walking around, and he could smell the pies. So of course his little nose, since he's a pie obsessed with it, he found the pies pretty easily. And I think he was planning on taking a little piece for himself here and hoping that nobody would notice, but Coco comes up behind him with a pie and says, "You don't have to steal my pies. You can come inside and eat them. We have plenty for everyone." See, he's got the little exclamation point over his head like, uh-oh. And then here is their inside. Sorry, my nose is super stuffy and I'm trying not to like sneeze right now. Hold on. Sorry. Anyway, they got their forks. They're like ready to eat it. Look at, they're like, give me the damn pie. I almost said a bad word. Sorry. Anyway, and then here they are all sitting at the table, and she's getting ready to serve the pies, and this says Happy Thanksgiving behind it. So that is the story. Like I said, my daughter needs stories in order to draw. And so that is the one that we came up with. It's super, super cute. And then here's your 9th full box, which has the sweeter than pumpkin pie. And then this is one of the pies that she drew with a couple of the pumpkins from the fall, from this kit. Washi, super cute. Your date covers. Then you got all of the extras. This is a deluxe kit. This also comes in mini and B6. So you can get it in the mini kit and you can get it in B6. This one and this one. And for this one, the TPC add-on is an actual TPC add-on. So for these kits like this, I don't have like a full page for that add-on. So it is still this with the rounded boxes. So you can get your TPC add-on if you need that. And then we also have the journaling kit. So you can pick up the journaling kit. If I can open it. There's the journaling kit. All the little characters in there. You got your days of the week. Ripped papers, all kinds of stuff, a couple full boxes here that you can write in, put quotes, whatever you want. So there's that. And then we have we've got the deco sheet, which is all of the little characters and the pies and all the things that she drew. And then this one is, so these, let me see if I pull it off here, you can see better. I don't want to ruin it. So this is a kiss cut dividers. So you can see there. Kiss cut dividers, so you can use those in your planner as well. So, and they're all baking themed. So just to wrap up, these are all the new kits that we have available for the month of October. Like I said, TPC sale starts on October 6th through the 10th. We will be 25% off. If you don't want to wait, you can use the girls PR codes and get one of their PR things plus their 15% off if you don't want to wait for the sale. If you do want to wait for the sale, don't forget that the code will be posted first in the TPC Facebook group. So if you're not a part of that, it'll be like an hour after that, and then it'll be all over the place. It'll be on Instagram. It'll be on my Facebook group page. It'll be and the banner. Usually the banner, I try to get the banner up right away in the shop, but I don't even know if they're making one this time because she changed all of the graphics and I haven't seen a banner yet. So I don't know. Check the Facebook group, my Facebook group, Scrappy Fox, or Instagram, and you'll see it all over the place. So anyway, that will be on the 6th. We are 25% off. There are TPC freebies. I did not print them out. I don't have them here, but there are freebies, and I will post them on Instagram as soon as she posts them on the Facebook group. I will post them so that you can see what the freebies are, but they're winter themed and they're super cute. So anyway, that is everything that I have. I hope you guys have a fantastic week, and I will see you again soon. Bye.